As part of the Writing Society Research Centre, I have been doing projects facilitating literary exchange between Australia and the Indian subcontinent. So I've done projects in Bangladesh and I've done projects in India. And most of this involves looking at the huge diversity of literatures in India and Australia. The reason why Literary Commons is going to be a really important and unprecedented event is that the kind of cultural wealth and the kind of literary exchange and cultural diplomacy, so to speak, between India and Australia is not limited only to the English language. And there has been a huge interest in this, in the commonalities between Indigenous writing from Australia and Indigenous writing from India. And that has led me to this current project of mine. It's called Literary Commons, and it plays upon the idea of literature around the world being the creative commons of the world, and they're the real cultural capital of our nations. In this age when Australia is looking to engage more and more with Asian nations, I think apart from material resources, apart from the exchanges in trade and business, what is really wonderful is the examples that countries in Asia can offer to Australia as examples of multiculturalism and what Australia can bring as one of the oldest cultures, continuing cultures of human beings, what Australia can bring to other nations as well. So the Literary Commons will be launched on Tuesday, the 23rd of September from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Gadigal Information Centre in Redfern. Our community partners, the First Nations Australia Writers Network, are co-hosting this program, and there'll be some wonderful Indigenous luminaries around there. So please come and join us.